1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. 2. Wombats poop in cubes. Yep, little square nuggets. 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. 4. You're born with about 300 bones, but end up with 206 as an adult. 5. Humans glow in the dark, we just can't see it. 6. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 7. The Eiffel Tower can grow over 6 inches taller in summer heat. 8. Sharks existed before trees. 9. There's a species of jellyfish that's basically immortal. 10. You can't hum while holding your nose. Go on, try it. Which one blew your mind? Drop a comment if you're still trying to hum.